Hey guys, this is Daniel. Just want to make this quick video about Partner with Anthony program. I'm going to show you some results and show you the inside of the Partner with Anthony program. So we are here at the Partner with Anthony. This is me. I'm Daniel. Hey, we're going to access it. We're logging into the dashboard of all the modules and sessions of what you'll be getting with Partner with Anthony for 2019. So here's some videos, just a welcome page, welcome video, and here are some sessions that you get. And I think I'm on 5. I'm not certain, but the next session, as you see over here, will open up in about 6 hours. So yeah, here's session 5. Here's some of the videos that you'll see. You'll learn how to set up. They'll show you your tools, set up your links. And activate ambassador links, what's coming next, and then once you go through all the videos or the sessions, you just mark it complete and it will open up the next session in 24 hours. So it's basically a day by day, if you want, learning process, or if you want to take longer, you don't have to open up that session in 24 hours. You can wait, 36 hours or 48 hours or whatever. So you go at basically your pace. Here's some of the business resources that they give you. Email marketing, autoresponder, funnel the website, link tracking, daily webinars, and domain names and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So let's go to my commissions. Yes, let's do that. Log into my missions commissions account. Let's go down to part 1 there with Anthony, and we are going to go to my commissions. So this is just this month, which I started probably a week ago. Yeah, so I do have a commission, and it's recurring $350. And what you'll see over here at the lead email, I'm going to blur that out for the privacy of the lead or the person. I'm just going to scroll down here and basically just show you what you get, or what I've gotten so far. And then I'm going to close this out and show you my Gmail account of the subscribers. So basically I'll have follow-up emails for possible future purchases. So basically one I got, let's see, that was I believe 52. So 52 sign-ups, and I'm blurring this out for the privacy of the subscriber. Scroll back up, and as you see here, there's 34 and 52, which is 86 subscribers. And again, I'm still blurring this out for the privacy of the subscriber. So that's I'll be sending out future emails, and we'll have potential sales, and I will show you. I will make another video down the road as my progression in this Partner with Anthony journey. And if you get started, click subscribe and hit the little ding ding bell so you'll get notified when I make another video. Leave a comment below, and if you got any questions, yeah, leave it in the comments below. So thanks again. I'll talk to you later. Bye.